Something is going on in Windsor, Ontario. It has the fastest growing number of new cases of COVID-19 in the province. It is right across from the United States border. Today, the American Centers for Disease Control warned a much more contagious variant of COVID-19, the one first identified in the UK, is projected to become the dominant source of infection in the US by March. The head of the Windsor Hospital fears that fast-spreading variant is in his city, too. Erik Sorensen reports.
It's an unnerving distinction. Windsor, Essex has surpassed every region in Ontario for new COVID-19 cases per capita. The spread has increased so quickly that Windsor Regional Hospital was forced to send some patients outside the region and has a temporary morgue in a trailer. The hospital's chief of staff thinks this could be the result of the so-called UK variant.
The efficient spread, the wide range of patients that are being infected with it, and the pattern that was very similar to what was occurring in the UK that triggered us to think that this is a possibility that the UK variant or some other mutation is present in our community.
Windsor is a region on the front lines. Health officials say many people were mobile over Christmas, and every day thousands cross from the United States into Windsor. Truckers with necessary food and goods for the country, and healthcare workers from Windsor who work in Detroit. Ontario's count of new COVID cases shows Windsor, Essex has spiked to 323 per 100,000 population per week. The 6 regions with the highest numbers are the 3 in the highest population area in and around Toronto, plus Windsor, Lambton, and Niagara, which all have border crossings to the U.S.
That's always in our concern that any of these cases, are we bringing it back to Windsor because of the difference in the prevalence of COVID in U.S.
The United States is a firestorm of COVID-19, and the growing worry is the new, faster-spreading variant. The U.S. Center for Disease Control says the new variant has the potential to increase the U.S. pandemic trajectory and become the dominant source of infection by March.
The fact that it spreads more efficiently, just by simple math, means more people are going to become infected with it. The more people that are infected, the more people that are going to be hospitalized, and unfortunately, the more people that will then die.
Public Health Ontario is currently testing virus samples from different parts of the province. Windsor health officials expect to learn next week if their samples turn up with the new variant that could explain the recent surge in cases and suggest where it's coming from. Erik Sorensen, Global News, Toronto.